Hello everyone, welcome to Texafire. Today video is very exciting. I'm just showing you a capability of AI, the way we can use an AI to build a tool which you can sell it online, or you can sell some money or subscription. And also you can use these tools to create content automatically and then just directly upload it to social media application. So in today's example, what we are trying to cover is, so our program will ask you a prompt. Let's say you have given a prompt, I want jokes on, let's say kids, I want kids jokes. Then what it will do is it will go to the AI, it will fetch some jokes, then convert some from that particular prompt, it will go and get some images generated. And once the images are generated, it will create an audio of the same joke and combine that into a video file. And this is all done using code generated by ChatGPT. Just the only thing is I knew what tools need to be used. So that's why this demonstration is. So I want to show you what kind of different tools I have used in different combination and for what purpose. So in this particular example, if you see, so first, okay, so let's first go. So first is like we ask for a code. You can say an input from the user. It is like, it can be like, okay, I want a joke on, let's say, food, and then or something like that. And then it's saying number of iteration, how many times you want to repeat the process. Each process will fetch at least two or three codes, so you can run the for multiple iteration. Then what you can do is, so what we are doing is it's going to the AI, taking your prompt, get some codes, and once that is done, then it process the codes. Now process the code is nothing but it is generating first, take the prompt and go to the image generator. In image generation, we are using ChatGPT API. So here is the image generation one. So you're using the ChatGPT API, which is taking the user prompt, whatever has been passed, and convert the images. Here we are passing how many images we want. Let's say I want to generate two or three images. So it will generate three images for my prompt. And then once this is done, I'm converting the same into an audio file. For audio file, I'm using ElevenLabs. So ElevenLabs, I'm using generic, you can say, voice, which is a female, like generic voice ID, which is for female. You can change it. You can go to ElevenLabs, play around with the different voices, and take that voice ID as an, you can say, your interpreter. And then I'm just saying which model I want. If I don't know the model, I just keep it to the 11 multilingual, so that you can generate Hindi or English quotes as well. So if, okay, let's do one thing. Let's do an example first in English and then in Hindi. And once this is done, then what we have is we are combining both of them and generating a video now, and taking a background music also. So if there are, so I have added some background musics. So if that can also be added, that can also be added in particular this folder, and it will randomly choose those. But how it is choosing is when I'm saying like soothing or food, then it detect the keyword and pick it. If nothing is coming, so it doesn't add any background music, and then it generates a video. Now, for the video file, I could have used some AI subscription or something, but I wanted to keep the cost as low as possible for anyone who wants to generate the content. So I am using FPEG. So this is an library, FFmpeg library, which is used for video editing. You can even create some small effect like adding a watermark and other thing, but I have just kept it very simple. And then this process starts. This is very simple. So with this, you will have your social media content generated automatically with an AI. So let's run our program. Let's say down video gen underscore new. This one is the latest code which I'm running. So let it start. So first the code. So generate me an funny food, funny, or you can say food joke. Yeah, on butter chicken. Now I want to repeat the steps by only one time. So okay, so again, so as I saw, first it will generate some code, select one code. So why did chicken cross the road? To get the butter chicken on the other side. Well, it's a quite a good attempt. I know this is not a VT one, so if you want to try the VT one, you can try with Grok as well, because their replies are kind of funny. But other than that, you can use ChatGPT, which I have used, but it's not a mandatory to use ChatGPT. You can use another, you can say another AI as well. And I'm using LangChain for my, you can say, AI chain. So yeah, okay. Now it has generated this folder. It has generated three images. So yeah, so there are chicken talking about crossing the road, and it's about something, let's say butter chicken or something. But it has generated some attempts, and then it has generated an audio as well. So I think audio is also it's generating. Well, I think it has generated the video itself. So yeah, maybe audio it is going somewhere else. Okay, but yeah. So if I go into my folder and if I run this video, oh, it has generated the generated audio file. So yeah, I don't know whether you can hear the voice or not, but let me just play it. Yep, it has generated. This is the audio clip as well, so you can play the audio. I'll add this as an example, whatever it has generated, because I don't know whether it's coming in the recording or not. But yeah, it has generated the same audio what it has selected. Now it's working on another quotes. I think it has generated three different quotes. So this one is so it has generated something non-bread related. I think it's so non-bread related. Let's find out what is the quote it has generated. Yep. Why did the butter chicken say? What did the butter chicken say to the naan bread? You are none for me. It is generating decent jokes. So yeah. So now let's say if you want to directly upload it to link, you can say some social media network like Instagram or something, you can directly do it. It can generate Snapchat and directly upload there as well. So you can add that code. That's not a big thing. So the whole example is about you can generate tool like this, which can do an editing. Let's say you want to generate a watermarking tool. So you can using this fpack library and you can say like just provide the watermark image and the video and it will automatically add the watermark to it. So you can create these tools using AI and sell it as a subscription. A lot of websites are what they're doing is they'll give us the code, we'll generate a video and you can directly post it online. You can just generate it with this. Just the only thing is you have to work a little bit hard on this FFmpeg tablet templates, or you can just add a AI website or some website which do the or you can say video generation during that, and automatically with this loop you can generate it. It will automatically go to AI, fetch some codes, or you can just directly ask someone to add these codes automatically. So anything you can do. So you can generate these video generator, a content generator app, AI agent, which can directly post. Believe it or not, 90% of the content on especially Instagram, TikToks are kind of becoming AI generated by with the you can say it detects the trends going on, take the keywords and then generate based on that and just start posting them. So there are a lot of things which you can do with this tools. But again, this whole code is generated with ChatGPT. The only thing is I knew what code I want to generate. This is the initial setup, which is giving you a helpful assistant. Please provide me three different stories or codes based on the user prompt, and the same prompt is passed. So I will share this code. This will be available under the video. So if you like, if you have any question, you can ask me on the comment section. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.